really regret the fact that it is quite inconceivable for a honorable member of Parliament to go to that extent of the state managing his own abduction, creating a lot of tension and fear in the country. Fortunately, we were able to expedite the investigations and to expose him to the public that the Member of Parliament was indeed not abducted. We were able to account for all his movements from the time he attended the church up to where he slept that night. We have even identified the hotel and the room number that he slept. But in order not to prejudice our investigations, we may not be able to share that information at this point in time. But definitely, we are going to share that information with him. And again, it is unfortunate that being a victim, the investigating team were denied access to go and interview the Honorable Member of Parliament, which we verily believe that he did not suffer any injuries whatsoever. And perhaps he could as well be staying at the KISII hospital enjoying his 5-course meal. In terms of the motive, we have 2 theories. One, the Member of Parliament was very privy to the fact that we were looking for him for 2 offenses. One is a matter of land fraud that we investigated, and the file was forwarded to the DPP, and the DPP had approved sanction. And the Member of Parliament did very well that he was to be arrested and prosecuted. And besides that also, we are also reading an element of politics to try to cause fear and anxiety in the country. So we are reading a political motive in the entire drama. So it was all drama, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.